What else? Oh, yeah? Yeah. Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, we have a 3-day weekend. Yeah. What else? What else you want to tell Daddy? Huh? What did you do today? Huh, baby? Tell Daddy. Did you go out? Did you go out? Huh? Did you play today? Huh? Did you? Did you play today, baby? Yeah? Come on, make some noise for Daddy. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Did you miss Daddy today? Did you miss Daddy today? Yeah. My little cutie pie.